my great pleasure to welcome all of you here today for the launch of the Council's U.S. Manufacturing Competitiveness Initiative and the release of the findings of the first annual Global Manufacturing Competitiveness Index that the Council is very proud to have done in collaboration with Deloitte.
The Council believes that no nation can achieve or maintain economic leadership without a robust manufacturing sector. Manufacturing is an essential path for attracting and retaining high-value investments, increasing exports, spurring innovation, and creating high-value jobs.
There will be winners and losers around the globe, and the work being done now regarding competitive factors will clearly have an impact.
I believe that a driving force for manufacturing competitiveness is our ability to innovate new technologies and products. 70% of the R&D activity in this country is done in the private sector, largely by the manufacturing base of this country.
Overwhelmingly, executives in every region of the world pointed to the fact that talent-driven innovation is what ultimately differentiated a country's competitiveness. Executives see the U.S.'s ranking and index values slipping over the next 5 years. On a relative basis, it becomes less competitive as a location for manufacturing.
We talk a lot about innovation, but innovation doesn't come out of thin air. Innovation is rooted in innovators. It has to rest on attracting and educating the best and the brightest here and raising the overall level of education and quality of the output of our educational system, K through graduate school.
I feel my responsibility as a union official is to train the workforce of the future right here in the United States. And that's what I'm focused on.
The inability to make longer-term decisions because of the policy uncertainty, and that's true healthcare, environmental regulation, tax policy. Everywhere we look on the landscape is risk. There are specific actions that Congress must be part of in order to get us more competitive for out in the future.
The work we're going to be undertaking in this manufacturing initiative over the next 18 months has to look at the entire complexity of this extended enterprise and ecosystem that's going to create the jobs, the prosperity, and the standard of living. We are very committed to this, and I think the leadership that the Council's brought together across all sectors of industry, academia, and labor, and our government partners will ensure a success.